Hey guys, it's Ivy coming at you with another improvement. So usually anywhere between 1 to 3 times per week, I will get a request from a customer for replacement side wings for their core cart. This could either be a result of shipping damage or it could be a warranty replacement. The wings have worn out over time or they're damaged and they need new ones. So what I have done is I've actually ran through our replacement wings through the Kanban process. So now, once I create my replacement ticket and enter in my replacement order, it will automatically get added to the Kanban tab to go out immediately to the customer. So there's no more waiting time for those to be added to the water spider list for them to be built and shipped, which could usually take anywhere between a week to a week and a half to go. So now the customer receives those next day shipping and it saves me a whole bunch of time. Thanks so much. Have a great day.